So Ovid Therapeutics' approach is very, I would say, patient-centric. That is a buzzword in the community. I know it's a buzzword among biopharmaceutical companies. And so what we do is actually translate into actual action about what patient centricity is to us. And for us, is really involving patients, families, caregivers, healthcare community, healthcare providers, the physicians or nurses, and others who all surround a family and a person affected by a specific illness. Let's take the example of Angelman syndrome, for example. In Angelman syndrome, we are highly committed to this extraordinary patient community here in the US as well as around the world in really bringing a potential new therapy for them forward. But we really needed to understand what was it like living with Angelman syndrome, or what's it like being a family member. And so we invite people in, we listen to what's the day in the life like for a mom or a dad with a child with Angelman syndrome. What's it like to wake up in the morning or have a specific day. We look at patient groups and understand from families what they're hearing. And then we actually, when we started developing our programs themselves, we invited the review of our protocols, of our inclusion and exclusion criteria, of the different measures that we were looking at to see if it was appropriate and would it make a meaningful difference in their lives. So we actually try to involve families, patients, patient advocacy organizations, and all the other kind of healthcare providers very early in our development process, and then move that forward. And so we're walking lockstep together with the community and really trying to communicate in a way that's meaningful for both of us.